In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name color in Telegram. This is a premium feature that lets you personalize your profile with custom name colors, making your account stand out in chats and group conversations. If you want to customize your Telegram experience and add some personality to your profile, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access all the premium features. Once Telegram is open, you'll see your main chat list. From here, look for the settings option. On most devices, you can access settings by tapping the menu icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner on iOS or the top left corner on Android. Tap on it to open your profile and settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the Telegram Premium option. This is where all the premium features are located, including name color customization, animated profile pictures, faster downloads, and exclusive stickers. Tap on Telegram Premium to continue. Inside the Telegram Premium section, you'll see various customization options. Look for the option labeled name color or profile appearance, depending on your app version. This is the feature that allows you to change the color of your name as it appears to other users in chats. Tap on name color to access the color selection menu. Now you'll see a range of vibrant colors to choose from. Telegram offers multiple color options, including gradient combinations that make your name even more eye-catching. Browse through the available colors and tap on your preferred color. You can preview how your name will look in different contexts before making your final choice. Once you've selected the color you like, tap Save or Apply to confirm your selection. Your name color will now be updated across all your chats and group conversations. Now here's something important to note. If you don't currently have Telegram Premium, the app will prompt you to subscribe when you try to change your name color. You'll see a screen showing the premium subscription options, which typically include monthly and annual plans. If you want to proceed, you can choose your preferred plan and complete the payment process. Telegram Premium unlocks not only name colors, but also other useful features like larger file uploads, faster speeds, exclusive reactions, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name color in Telegram. Whether you have Premium or are considering it, this feature is a great way to personalize your account and make your profile more unique. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.